Hello everyone, today we will be making a part to whole graph, and the sample we are using is the sample superstore, and what we are trying to do is sales by year by customer segmented. So sales we are taking into the rows and order date in columns, and then segment in the colors. And now we are changing it to the bar graphs, and here we can see that these stacked bars we can see, but what we want to create is part to whole. Why do we need part to whole? So this is a ratio which provides a relationship between a particular group and a whole population. So one way is to do a quick table calculation percentage. It will change your percentage of the axis, but it will be fine, but it will not be the correct it will not come as an 100%. So what we need to do here is we have to do for additional table calculation, there you have to do percent of total and do it cell wise. So when you do it cell wise, it will give you a complete year with the total of 100%. So here you can see that each segment, when you sum it up, it comes as an 100, and it gives you a clear picture of part of whole, like which segment contributes to how much